We're performing a banded row bird dog. So with your band attached to an object in front of you, I like to take the handle and loop one hand all the way through, and then the other one I can hold the handle, and that works best for this type of band. From here we want to pull the lower core up and in, pull the chin in, stay long in the spine. We're doing opposite hand, opposite leg. So I'm going to perform the row with my right hand and the leg extension with the left leg. So beginning with that left leg lengthened, arm reaching forwards, and then I'm going to pull on the row as I bring the knee in towards the elbow, the front elbow. Hold for 2 seconds and release. Keep the core nice and tight, keep the chin in, and perform your assigned number of repetitions.